Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today in this new contract. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart. Yesterday, the market opened here 206. We thought we can go for selling by maintaining stop loss near 207.5, and right after the opening, the price found various resistance at 206. Finally broke the resistance of 206 and went and triggered the stop. And we also thought that if the price is moving above 207, it will have some buying strength, so that we can reverse our position by placing stop loss near 205. But clearly the price lost the momentum and came down till 203 and closed near 203. Today it's expected to open somewhere within 204 and 203. So we need to still stay on the selling side in this new contract by placing stop loss near 207.5 or 207. We expect the price to find some resistance around 206, or else we still expect that the price should break 202 in order to continue selling. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.